Hey y'all, I'm back again with another voiceover. This time come to the fair with us. This fair is in Pelham, Alabama, y'all. Here my baby girl getting her face painted. Of course she got Mickey Mouse. She's such a big girl, y'all. Look at the seals, y'all. They jump at you so fast. Look at my baby, y'all. She trying to run. Like she like I'm not having it. They trying to calm her down with the little squishy toy. So, we still got our picture. I was scared too, low key. Here we go with the monkeys, y'all. They were actually racing on a doll's back. It was a cute little show, very creative, something different and unique. And mind y'all, this was a Wednesday night, so we just out chilling like we don't have work and school the next morning. Like, girl. And here is how our pictures turned out, y'all. Her face paint. She's such a cutie. And here we go with the seals, y'all. Subscribe for more.